Hi students. So now we are going to discuss, we are going to solve one problem. A car accelerates from rest at a constant rate of 2 meters per second square for 5 seconds. What is the speed of the car at the end of the time? How far does the car travel in this time? So here two values we have to find out. Okay, so first of all, before going to solve this problem, we will draw the diagram based on the data which was given. Okay, so here let us assume this is a road on which here one car is there on the road. Car is there on the road. This car is at rest position, so that's why initial velocity, initial speed of the car is taken as a 0. Initial speed u is equal to initial velocity speed is equal to 0 meter per second. 0 meter per second. A car accelerates from rest. Actually, car is at in the beginning. Car is at rest position. So initial velocity, initial speed of the car is taken as a 0. So it is rest. Rest means initial velocity is 0. So here rest. Car is in rest. Car is in rest. What is the meaning of that? Initial velocity will become 0. Initial velocity is 0. It's not moving. It is in rest position. It doesn't have any speed. It doesn't have any motion. So that's why its speed, its velocity is 0. Constant rate of 2 meters per second square. Slowly it moved in forward direction and its speed increases. Whenever speed increases, its acceleration will also be increased. So that's why acceleration of this particular car is acceleration A is given as 2 meters per second square. 2 meters per second square. Slowly from rest position, car started. The speed of the car increased. Whenever speed increases, acceleration is also said to be increasing. So here acceleration of the car, increment in the speed of the car is acceleration of the car is 2 meters per second square. Car moved for 5 seconds. How much time car traveled from point, let us assume car moved from particular point A to point B. Car moved for 5 seconds. So here time taken by the car to move from point A to point B, that is 5 seconds. For 5 seconds time, car moved from particular point A to point B. What is the speed of the car at the end of that time? At this particular point B, at the end of 5 seconds, what is the final velocity of the car? That is we have to calculate. Final velocity of the car at the end of the 5 seconds to be calculated. So next one, how far does the car travel in this time? So total distance, how much distance has been covered by the car from point A to point B should also be calculated. How much distance has been covered by the car from point A to point B within 5 seconds time. Okay, so here distance S should also be calculated. Here final velocity of the car should also be calculated. So here both the values we can calculate. First of all, to calculate final velocity of the car, we have one equation of motion. What that is? V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the formula which is used to calculate the final velocity of the car. So why should we use this particular formula? Why? Because here initial velocity, we have known initial velocity already. Initial velocity has been given, that is 0 meter per second. Next, acceleration is also there, it is also given, that is 2 meter per second square. Time t is also given, that is 5 seconds. So if we substitute all those parameters, all those values in this equation, we can find out the final velocity of the car. So final velocity v is equal to initial velocity. Here initial velocity is 0 plus acceleration of the car is 2 meter per second square, 2 meter per second square into t. What is the value of time? No, car travel for 5 seconds time. So that's why 5 seconds. V is equal to u plus at. Final velocity we have to calculate. Initial velocity has been given, that is 0 meter per second. Acceleration of the car, that is also given, 2 meter per second square into t. Time is also given, that is 5 seconds. Okay, so here V is equal 2 meter over second square, 2 meter per second square, 2 meter divided by 1 second square. So here into 5 seconds can be written as 5 into 1 second. 5 into 1 second. So here 2 meter divided by 1 second square can be written as a square is written as a into a. A square is written as a into a. In the same manner, here 1 second square is written as 1 second into 1 second. 1 second into 1 second into 5 seconds. 5 into 1 second. 5 into 1 second all divided by 1. There is nothing in denominator, so that's why we can keep 1, we can put 1. So here 1 second, numerator 1 second is there, denominator 1 second is there, 1 second both will get cancelled. So here 2 meter per second into 5. 2 5s 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. So this is the final velocity of the car. Final velocity of the car is 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. After reaching point B, car will have 10 meter per second velocity. The car will be moving with 10 meter per second final velocity. So next another value should also be calculated. How far does the car travel in this time? Okay, here already initial velocity has been given, time has given, time was given and the acceleration was given, final velocity we have calculated. So now we are going to calculate distance, how much distance has been covered by the car. So here to calculate distance, what is the equation in 3 equations of motion? One equation of motion is there to find out the distance covered. So here S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So here we have to calculate distance covered by the car. S is equal to initial velocity of the car is given 0. 0 into something 0 will become 0 plus half at square. Acceleration is given as 2 meter per second square into 2 meter per second square into time. What is the value of time? Time is given as 5 seconds. So in place of t square, we can substitute 5 seconds. 5 seconds whole square. Here half into 2 meter. Okay students, here 1 by 2 into 2 meter per second square, 2 meter divided by 1 second square, 1 second square into 5 second whole square can be divided as 5 square into 1 second whole square divided by 1. 1 by 2 into 2 meter per second square, 2 meter over 1 second square into here 5 second square, AB whole square can be written as A square into B square. So here already you see AB whole square, A square into B square. So in same like that, here 5 second whole square can be written as 5 square into 1 second whole square. So divided by 1. So here A by 1 is written as A is written as A by 1. Okay. So here like that, here 1 by 2 into 2 meters. 2 meters can also be written as 2 into 1 meter. 2 into 1 meter. Here denominator 1 second square is there, numerator 1 second square is there, 1 second square gets cancelled. So next here 1 by 2 into 2 meters can be written as 2 into 1 meter, 2 into 1 meter divided by 1. Already it got cancelled, 1 second square and 1 second square. So here 5 square, that is 25. So into 1 divided by 1. Here 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2, 2 gets cancelled. So here what is remaining here? 25. 2 gets cancelled. Here 5 5s 25 meter, 25 meters. Total distance covered by the car is 25 meters. 25 meters distance covered by the car within 5 seconds time, with initial velocity 0 meter per second, with acceleration 2 meter per second square. So with final velocity, that is 10 meter per second.